catering careers are Merchant Navy, which deals with commercial activities which includes shipping of people and cargo across the world. Please note, Defense Navy admission is done through NDA. Catering career requires a hotel management degree. Joining the Merchant Navy. Alternative 1. Candidates with 10 Jodo ECM age up to 25 years appear for IIT JEE success in IIT JEE permits candidates to be selected, and they can do either a Nautical Officer 3-year BSc Natural Sciences. The candidate should be physically fit as per Merchant Shipping Rules. 6/6 vision and impaired color vision. Engineer Officer 4-year Marine Engineering degree course. Candidate should be physically fit as per Merchant Shipping Rules. On successful completion of training, they apply to join a shipping company. Shipping companies also approach candidates while under training and recruit them directly. Alternative 2. 1-year IMU pre-C course. Nautical Officer. The candidate should be physically fit. Eligibility 10 Jodo ECM 60% and English 50% should qualify in the IMU entrance exam or BSc ECM 50% or be aged 25 years with 6/6 vision in both HISR and impaired color vision. Age relaxable by 5 years for CST category applicants and 2 years for girl cadets. Approved 1-year pre-C training is provided before posting them on board the ship. B. Engineer Officers for Junior Marine Engineers. Shipping Corporation of India recruits BE Mechanical Naval Architecture. Please consult the specific advertisements for eligibility. Criteria for direct recruitment. You can work on direct contract with Shipping Corporation of India as Nautical Officer or Engineer Officer. Ratings. One may choose to join the sea career as a rating. Eligibility. Debt rating 10th SSC 18 to 25 years. Medically fit as per Merchant Shipping MS Rules. Eyesight 6/6 square. Color vision. Engine rating 10th SSC 18 to 25 years. Medically fit as per Merchant Shipping MS Rules. General Purpose Rating Course for the engine 10th SSC 18 to 25 years. Medically fit as per Merchant Shipping MS Rules. Eyesight 6/6 with color vision. Saloon rating course. SSC age limits 18 to 25 years. Medically fit as per Merchant Shipping Rules. Take our career assessment test to choose the perfect career. Allegiance Educare. Reach for that perfect career.